for today we'll be doing another sneaker unboxing, and this time it's another pair of Nike Bayou sneakers. And if you guys didn't know, a Nike Bayou sneaker is a pair that is customized by yourself through Nike's website. But before we get right into the pair, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to every single one of you guys that are watching this video and subscribe to our channel, because we finally reached 5,000 subscribers. So with that, I wanted to do a quick giveaway for you guys. We'll be giving away this Travis Scott Reese's Puffs cereal, and in the back, because if you guys all know, Travis Scott is one of my favorite artists of all time, and as you guys all know, I love his sneakers, I love his work, and yeah, he's been a big part of this YouTube career. And yeah guys, we'll be doing a giveaway for this, so I'll be putting the mechanics on screen right now. First, you have to be subscribed to our channel, obviously. Click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Then second, you have to follow me on Instagram at Gio Santa Maria. Then lastly, make sure that you comment done down below and comment your favorite pair of Travis Scott sneakers. So ako, as of now, my favorite pair must be the Nike Dunk SB Low. I'm trying to get my hands on a pair right now in a size 9. So if any one of you knows someone who's selling a size 9 for a decent price, it goes for around 60 to 70,000 in the Philippines eh. So if kaya nyo mabigay na mas lower than that, hit me up on my DMs on Instagram and I'll happily pay the price. Kasi as you guys all know, again, I'm a big fan of Travis Scott, and you guys all know I have to collect his sneakers. So, and guys, make sure to message me on Instagram if you know someone who's selling a pair of Travis Scott Dunk Lows. And yeah, so if you guys remember from my last video, I did an unboxing of another pair of Nike Bayous, and the partner pair finally arrived a day after nung pagka-post ko ng pair. So, eto muna, papakita ko sa inyo yung isa pang pair na ginawa ko. So, right here, we have another Supreme inspired Air Force 1 snakeskin. And if I'm not mistaken, the option in creating this premium Air Force 1 is back on Nike's website. So, make sure to check it out. I'll leave a link down below. And ayun guys, just inspired by the Nike Dunk Low SB collaboration with Supreme back in 2002. Ito, white pair. So I like this more than the red pair that I did from the last vlog. And yeah guys. So now let's get right into the main event of this video. Again, this is a Nike Bayou sneaker. And if you guys see the picture of the sneaker right there, and so this pair is a tribute pair for Kobe Bryant, because if you guys all know, syempre, diba, he passed away, and he's been one of my biggest idols in the NBA, and as a person in general, kasi he affected lives in more ways than just basketball. And ayun guys, he's one of my biggest inspirations in life, and unfortunately we weren't able to customize his pairs anymore kasi wala na siya, hindi na siya naglalaro. So the next one of the best players in the NBA right now is offered on Nike Bayou, and he's one of my favorite players kasi he's young, he's very flashy, and he's one of the most entertaining players to play the game right now. So ito, let's do an unboxing of the pair. Right here we have the Kyrie 6 Nike Bayous. So ito guys, basically I made a custom sneaker that is dominantly purple and gold. As you guys all know, these are the Lakers colors. And I made the back like this iridescent material just to add a little more pop to it. And ayan guys, as you guys all know, this is Kobe Bryant's number 24, which is also my birthday. So ayan, 24, one of my favorite numbers of all time, syempre. And yeah guys, this is one of my tribute pairs for Kobe Bryant, and I'm actually planning on using this in a game for our basketball league this season. And guys, I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if we look at the other pair, as you guys all know, Kyrie's logo is a letter K, but sa custom ko, I made the other letter a letter B. So if pagsamahin mo sila dyan, and it's a KB, or what stands for Kobe Bryant, kasi nga this is a tribute pair for him. And hey guys, first thoughts, what do you guys think about the pair? Make sure to let me know down below in the comments. For me, this is one of my favorite designs, one of my favorite silhouettes, kasi nga again, it can be a lifestyle sneaker. It will still look nice. Kasi, as you guys all know, ito yung strap and all that, it reminds you of the Yeezy 2. Or, I don't know if that's just me, pero a lot of people is really reminded of the Nike Yeezy 2 with this pair. Kasi nga, ito, like the shape and all that, with the strap and all that, ayan, it really reminds you of the Nike Yeezy 2. And this is one of the best performance sneakers in the NBA right now. And ayun guys, so I decided to just make a custom ng Kyrie 6. And ayun, what else? Oh, ito. If you guys know, you can customize, you can put your name inside ng mga Nike Bayou sneakers, but I decided to put the words Mamba right there. You guys can see that. And then it's other pair, Forever. And kasi we can never forget Kobe Bryant and what he did for the NBA. So ayun guys, the outsole I just made it white. Then some midsole I added like speckles just to add more character to the pair. And ayun guys, let me know what you guys think about the pair. Do you think it's cool? Will you make a pair? I know it's still available on Nike's website right now, but I'm not really sure if they still like offer the same colors. Try nyo na lang. I don't know if you can still add the 24 and all that, but if you can, I'll leave the link down below in the comments. And yeah, so that's basically it guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and make sure to comment down below for the giveaway, Travis Scott Reese's Puffs cereal. And peace. See you guys in the next one. We wanna ball and get loose. It's something that she like to do.